everyone and welcome. Today let's bake crispy gingerbread cookies with honey.
To make the gingerbread cookies, we will need 200 grams honey, 100 grams sugar, 275 grams of all-purpose flour, plus some flour for kneading and dusting, 50 grams of butter, 1 egg, and half a teaspoon of baking powder. We will also need spices for the gingerbread cookies. 1 teaspoon of each: ginger, cardamom, nutmeg, and cinnamon, as well as half a teaspoon of clove, coriander, black pepper, and allspice. Grind and mix all the spices. To start, let's heat on stove butter, sugar, and honey. Let it boil a bit and remove from the stove. Right away, mix in all the spices and sift in half of the amount of flour. Mix everything well, transfer to a bowl and let it cool a bit. Mix in the egg and baking powder. Sift in the remaining flour and mix well. We need to be able to knead the dough, so if it is too soft, add a bit more flour. Add a tablespoon at a time, not to add too much flour. Sprinkle some flour on the kitchen countertop and put the dough on it. Add a bit more flour while kneading if needed to be able to shape the dough in a ball. Put some flour in a bowl. Put the dough inside, cover it, and put the bowl in the fridge. The gingerbread cookies are best if the dough stays in the fridge for several days or even weeks. But if we don't want to wait, we can bake the next day. Sprinkle some flour on the kitchen countertop. Put some parchment paper or a silicone baking mat on a baking tray and sprinkle some flour on it. Turn the oven to heat to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the dough from the fridge and cut it into smaller pieces if you don't want to roll all the dough at once, as it is a little hard. Roll the dough thin. The thinner you have it, the crispier the gingerbread cookies will be. Using cookie cutters, shape the cookies as you wish. And put the cookies on the baking tray. Put the cookies in the oven to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes till they start to lightly brown on the sides. Remove the gingerbread cookies from the oven and let them cool in the pan for a few minutes. And they're ready to be eaten or decorated if you wish. Enjoy the baking and see you next week. Bye!